is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for southern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, northern Kane County in northeastern Illinois, southern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 4:45 a.m. Wednesday at 10:43 p.m. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Wheaton, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Downers Grove, Glenview, Elmhurst, Lombard, Buffalo Grove, and Carroll Stream. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The flood warning continues for the following. For the Des Plaines River near Russell, the